Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a topic that's super relevant to pretty much everyone: debit cards versus credit cards. Whether you're just starting out with managing your money or you've been doing it for a while, understanding these two little pieces of plastic can make a huge difference in your financial journey. We're gonna break it all down, no confusing jargon, I promise. By the end of this video, you'll know which card to use for every purchase. We'll cover the pros and cons of each, how to use them effectively, and how to avoid common pitfalls that can mess with your financial goals. This is all about empowering you to make the best decisions for your money. So let's jump right in. All right, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a debit card? It's a simple yet powerful financial tool. Think of it like this. Your debit card is directly connected to your checking account. Every time you use it, you're accessing your own money. It's like having access to your cash, but instead of carrying around a wad of bills, you've got this convenient card that fits right in your wallet. When you swipe your debit card, you're essentially telling the bank, hey, take this money straight out of my account. It's an instant transaction. This direct connection makes debit cards great for staying on top of your spending. You can easily track your expenses in real time. You see that money come and go, so it's a lot harder to overspend because you're working with what you've actually got. It's a visual reminder of your financial limits. No temptation to spend money you don't have yet. This can be a lifesaver for those who struggle with impulse buying, and that's a huge plus, especially when you're first starting out or trying to get your finances in order. It helps build good financial habits. Sticking to a budget is so much easier with a debit card. You can set spending limits and monitor them effortlessly. You set your spending limits based on what's in your account, and that's it. No borrowing, no debt, no surprises, no overdraft fees, just good old-fashioned financial discipline. It's a straightforward way to manage your money. But here's the thing. While debit cards are fantastic for staying out of debt, they don't really help you build credit. This is a key consideration, and having good credit is essential in today's world. It's more than just a number, it's your financial reputation. It's like your financial report card, and it can impact everything from renting an apartment to getting a loan to even landing certain jobs. Your credit score matters. Debit cards are widely accepted pretty much everywhere. They're versatile and convenient. Groceries, gas, online shopping, you name it, you can probably use your debit card. It's a universal payment method. Plus, they offer a level of security that cash just can't match. Your money is safer. Lost your wallet? No worries. Just call your bank, cancel the card, and you're good to go. It's that simple. But like anything else in life, debit cards aren't totally perfect. They have their downsides too. One thing to watch out for is overdraft fees. They can sneak up on you if you're not careful. If you try to spend more money than you have in your account, the bank might let the transaction go through, but they'll hit you with a hefty fee, so always keep an eye on your balance. Now, let's dive into the world of credit cards and explore how they can be both a blessing and a curse. I know, credit cards often get a bad rap, and for good reason. They can lead to financial trouble if not managed properly. They can be risky if they're not used responsibly, leading to mounting debt and financial stress. But here's the thing. When used correctly, credit cards can be powerful tools for building your financial future and achieving your goals. Unlike debit cards, which are linked directly to your checking account, credit cards are a form of revolving credit, offering more flexibility. Essentially, you're borrowing money from the credit card issuer when you make a purchase, and you agree to pay it back later, usually with interest. This can be advantageous if managed well. Think of it like a short-term loan that you can use over and over again, as long as you make your payments on time and keep your balance in check. Now, this is where the responsibility factor comes in. It's crucial to stay on top of your payments and not let your spending get out of control. Credit cards offer a lot of flexibility, but that flexibility can come back to bite you if you're not careful. Overspending is a common pitfall. It's easy to overspend and rack up a balance that becomes difficult to pay off, especially with those high interest rates that can quickly add up. But, and this is a big but, if you're disciplined and use credit cards strategically, they can be incredibly rewarding and beneficial. One of the biggest advantages of using credit cards is the ability to build credit. This can open many doors for you in the future. Every time you use your credit card responsibly, by making on-time payments and keeping your balance low, you're showing lenders that you're a safe bet. This can significantly improve your credit score. And as your credit score grows, so do your financial opportunities. A good credit score can lead to better loan terms and more financial freedom. You'll qualify for lower interest rates on loans, have an easier time renting an apartment, and even potentially get better car insurance rates. These benefits can save you a lot of money in the long run. It's like leveling up in the game of finance. Each responsible action you take with your credit card brings you closer to financial success. Another awesome perk of credit cards is rewards. These can range from cash back to travel points and other valuable perks. Many credit cards offer cash back, travel points, or other perks just for using their card. It's like getting paid to spend money you were going to spend anyway. It's like getting paid to spend money you were going to spend anyway. These rewards can add up and provide significant value over time. Of course, it's essential to choose a rewards program that aligns with your spending habits and financial goals. This ensures you get the most out of your credit card. Don't get caught up chasing rewards if it means overspending or ending up in debt. Always prioritize your financial health over rewards. Remember, the best reward is financial freedom. Being debt-free and financially secure is the ultimate goal. Credit cards also offer some pretty sweet fraud protection. This can give you peace of mind when making purchases. If your card gets lost or stolen, or if someone tries to make unauthorized purchases, you're typically only liable for a small amount, if anything at all. This protection is invaluable. Credit card companies have sophisticated security measures in place to protect your information and your money. These measures are constantly being updated to stay ahead of potential threats. And if something fishy does happen, they're usually pretty good about resolving the issue quickly and painlessly. Customer service is often very responsive in these situations. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks of credit cards. It's important to be aware of these to avoid common pitfalls. As I mentioned earlier, the biggest risk is overspending and falling into debt. This can lead to a cycle of financial hardship that's hard to break. It's crucial to have a solid budget in place and to track your spending closely to avoid getting in over your head. This discipline can prevent many financial issues. Remember, those tempting credit card offers and seemingly endless spending limits are designed to entice you to spend more than you can afford. Stay vigilant and stick to your budget. Don't fall into the trap. Use credit cards wisely, and they can be a valuable tool in your financial arsenal. That's it for our ultimate guide to debit versus credit cards. We hope you found it informative and engaging. I hope this video gave you a clearer understanding of how these financial tools work and how you can use them to your advantage. Knowledge is power when it comes to managing your finances. Remember, the key is to be responsible, stay informed, and make choices that align with your financial goals. Your financial future depends on the decisions you make today. Whether you prefer the simplicity and control of a debit card or the rewards and credit-building potential of a credit card, the most important thing is to use them wisely. Make sure to always stay within your budget and avoid unnecessary debt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome financial tips and share it with friends who might benefit from this information. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Stay tuned for more content that will help you make smarter financial decisions. And be sure to let me know in the comments which card you prefer, debit or credit, and why. Your feedback is valuable to us.